Alam mo, napakayabang mo eh. Pwede mo naman kasing tanungin. Ang reason ba't hindi ka yumayaman sa negosyo, it is because you are too prideful. Baba mo kaya yung pride mo. Humble down a little bit and ask. Ang daming negosyante na nauna na sa'yo, dumaan na sa pinagdaanan mo, have solved these same problems that you are encountering now. And there is a ton of information you can get from them only by asking and humbling down. So, anong dapat mong gawin? Knowledge, you have to seek it. Dahil hindi yan basta-basta darating sa'yo. Tapos marirealize mo na lang, oh, ito pala yung problema ko sa negosyo ko, ito pala yung solusyon. It doesn't happen that way. Maaring ma-realize mo nga ang sagot, pero payag ka ba ilang taong realization yan bago mo ma-realize? Pwede ka naman magtanong. If you want to improve your life, if you want to improve your business, then better start asking. Hayaan mo na yung mga pride na yan because that will get you nowhere. If you have an open mind, and if you have a mind that is willing to learn and ask, diyan ka magtatagumpay sa negosyo.